Step 1. Prepare your nail. Remove your nail polish. Push the cuticle with the cuticle pusher given in the kit. Cut the nail with the nail cutter. File and shape the nail with the filer given in the kit. Buff the nail with the filer given in the kit. Wipe the nail with the nail wipe given in the kit. Select the press-on nail according to your real nail size. Keep all the press-on nails ready according to your nail size. Step 2. Application of press-on nails with two-way glue sticker. Select the glue sticker according to your nail size. Stick the two-way glue tape on the selected nail and pull the top glue tape. Apply the press-on nail on the glue sticker and press it for 30 seconds. Apply the nail liquid glue on the entire nail. Be careful not to apply glue on the cuticle or skin and press-on nails. Apply the press-on nail on the liquid glue and press it for 30 seconds.